Sometimes all you want is everything. You want to be that content creator, you want to have your successful business, you want to run that marathon, you want that body from the gym, you want to have that body tea from Pilates, and your goals keep on changing. You get attracted to so many things at a time, like I want to do this, I want to do that, and you have so much in your plate. And trust me, it's normal. It's normal because I also feel that way. And there's so many people who feel that way. One thing that you can do, and you can achieve everything. First of all, you need to believe in yourself that you can do it. Have a growth mindset. Be Kanye West, guys. Be delusional. Be delusional that you can achieve anything in any time. There's this one method that can help you in the situation a lot. That is the brick method. So the brick method says that you have to follow 3 steps. The first step is jot down all the goals that you want to achieve. Second step, pick and choose the priority goal that you want to focus on at the right moment. Third is set a timeline. Okay, so setting a timeline, what does it mean? Is let's suppose that you have a goal of jogging 5K of marathon and you have set a timeline for 3 months. So rather than starting by making a timetable of jogging 1 hour every day for next 3 months, you should start by very small goals, like small goals in order to achieve that one goal, and give yourself small tasks and rewards in order to get there. Like 15 minutes of not even jogging, guys. 15 minutes of walking, 30 minutes of walking, 45 minutes of walking, and then 15 minutes of jogging. So you can do a combination with that, like 40 minutes of walking, 10 minutes of jogging. Then next day, 40 minutes of walking, and then 10 minutes of jogging. So you can keep on doing that up until that you completely forget about walking and start doing jogging for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and so on, each and by each day. And you will end up in the major goal, that is you're running the marathon of 5K. It has helped me, but not in this situation. But trust me, it works. You only have to focus on achieving the small goals on everyday basis in order to achieve the one big goal. And this is the same rule that can be applied to all of your goals.